Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you guys because I think yesterday's video was actually the most liked video that I've ever got. I think I had like 50 plus likes, and it was absolutely insane, man. That's absolutely insane. If you guys can do that again and we can get 50 likes again, fuck, man, that'd be ridiculous. Yeah, and again, thank you guys so much for the support. All of the likes that you guys, give me and stuff. It's definitely helping the channel grow. I've definitely noticed the views up and the subscribers go up. I guess now I really realize how much these thumbs up, why all the YouTubers actually ask for a thumbs up, because it looks like it actually has some sort of decent effect. But yeah, I think yesterday we did over 50 plus, and again, it's completely free. If you guys want me to do, thank you guys for yesterday. So if you guys want me to do TA on anything for you guys, just put it down in the comments below. I'll do TA for whatever you guys want. We get to 50 likes. I will show you guys what apps I use to actually get, well, actually, there's a GameStop video that I was gonna release sometime today. I was gonna release it sometime later this week, but if you guys give me 50 plus likes on this video, I'll release that GameStop video early. I'll release it today. I already told my Patreon members why. And again, I wasn't gonna release this till Friday, more than likely, or maybe sometime later this week. But if you guys give me 50 likes, I'll release the video sometime today or tomorrow. All right. Anyways, let's get to the video. Very simple here. Again, yesterday's target. We were right, what's today? October 7th, today's 18, 17, so we'll look at just yesterday. So yesterday, right? Yesterday I was actually looking for a bear close. I was looking for a bear close on the hour, right? The 6th, yesterday was the 17th? Yeah, so here. So we mooned extremely hard from Sunday, right? And then on the 17th, right here, the whole time I was looking for a bear close. That never happened. Never happened until 11 o'clock a.m. yesterday. Again, and I told you guys, if we close a bear on the hour, I was going to be bearish, down to at least back to like 357, 358. Never happened. So immediately my target was 370, 372. That actually just hit a couple of hours ago. It hit yesterday at what's 20, like 8 o'clock, maybe 9 o'clock p.m. on futures. And I actually think we're gonna run again. I think we're gonna keep pushing. I am bullish right now on the market. Not 100%, but short term I am definitely pretty bullish. As of right now, even regular fibs, we're looking like we're going back to 381, right? And as long as we stay consistent above this market structure, above this trend, I think we're completely solid, right? I don't need to do much TA. Even on the 3 hour looks like it's gonna come back down. The 4 hour looks like it's gonna come back down. If you look at Bitcoin, right? If you look at Bitcoin, it actually looks like it wants to crash or come back to like 18, like 19K, a little bit under 19K. Same thing for Ethereum, right? You look at Ethereum. Same thing. Looks like it looks like it wants to come back down. The Nas 100, not really. The Nas looks like it's probably gonna push all the way to 11.5. That's what it just looks like, right? Definitely bullish on all of these tickers, on SPX and the Nasdaq short term. Again, still perfectly bearish, right? I told you guys yesterday. I will only be fully bullish once we break out of this huge trend up here, and I can show you guys on the daily. Right, and I might be moving a little fast for some people. I'm sorry about that, but again, not even up here. Here, if trend breaks up here, this trend right here, this trend breaks at 416 level or stuff, right? If we break above this, I am 100% bullish, and there's no doubt in my mind that I'll buy back my full portfolio, right? But this week I actually started buying back my full portfolio, just because if we do actually end up going higher than like 380 or so and closing above there, I actually think we have a really good chance at possibly going back to like 416 or so. But again, target would be 396 if we actually pass 380. So I would definitely say this trend breaks, and once this trend breaks, we're probably 100% going to this trend to retouch it at 416 or so. Again, at the 1 week right now, the 1 week, look at that huge candle on the weekly, right? I can zoom in for you guys. Look at that huge candle on the weekly. If this week closes bullish, right, on Friday, if this closes bullish, I'm telling you, this looks like we're going back to 416, 425, like in yesterday's video. It's really that simple, right? Don't care about news, don't care about economics, I don't care about anything, right? Just looking at straight TA, looking at bullish looking at candles, looking at what the percentage is, right? It's a full 100. It's more than a full 100% candle of the previous candle, right? Which is absolutely ridiculous. Usually when stuff like that happens, you have a really big continuation to the upside, right? That's usually what tends to happen, right? Or at least you have a higher probability. But if this weekly closes bullish like we are right now, right? I don't know what the price is to initiate an actual bullish trigger. We would have to drop significantly, possibly back to like 360 or maybe under 366 to not close a bullish week. I'm not sure if that happens right now because everything is looking extremely, extremely bullish to the upside. Especially here, you actually broke major resistance at 372, came up, retested down here. I would actually probably buy 0 DTE or weeklies for 381 just to see if they hit. At least till Thursday, because I think we're actually running towards Thursday because of Snap earnings, and I think that's going to be the big indicator if is our earnings going to be absolute shit, or is Snap going to take the whole the whole market down like it's used to, right? Again, Snap has a relation to Meta, to Amazon, to Google based off of the ads. If the ads are strong, more than likely Google, Meta, and Google, Meta, and Amazon are going to do really well. If Snap's ad revenue is bad, there's a high chance that these other companies are not going to do that well. But again, as of right now, TA does show me that we're probably going to go a little bit higher, possibly go into the 380s sometime today, tomorrow. That's just kind of what it looks like. Longer trend is that right now we might see some bear momentum to the side, but again there's certain ways that we have to close. Right now, if we close this 3-hour bear, right, last time we closed this, we actually ended up falling dramatically from 370 all the way to 358. We dropped about $12. So $12 drop from here will take us to 362, like right here, right? It would take us somewhere around here. I'd argue it probably takes us back to this order block at 360, right? It takes us down, probably retests something up here to the upper side before dropping, right? But again, I am only bearish. I'm short term, I'm long. Short term, I'm bullish, right? Short term. I will only be bearish again short term if this trend breaks, right? If this hour trend breaks, right? I will start being 100% bullish again, which looks like it might actually happen. I mean, looking at the 15-minute, it actually looks like we might be starting to come back down a little bit. We have a small little 15-minute trend here. Again, that needs to break to the upside. It kind of looks like it wants to break. Would I do that? Yeah, I'd probably do that. It does look like it's breaking to the upside, but again, really, I'm looking at the higher time frames. We're looking at a lot of push right now on the hour. You're overbought on the high side, which is good. You're looking for bull momentum. If we do close, maybe in like another hour or two, maybe at 5 o'clock, maybe at 6 o'clock in the morning, you close an hour VC. And again, every single hour VC close has just led to bigger pushes, right? So again, I would not be surprised if we see like a 378, 380 today. As far as target, I think that could be target, right? You can either trade sideways or go to 378. But once this breaks, right, if this trend breaks, I think we're going all the way back to 362. So it's very, very, very simple right now. I would definitely be logging all of this today towards looking for like a 378, 381 target right here within maybe a week or two. That's what I would probably think. My confirmation would be, once this actually closes, bullish, I think 30 minute already closed. You're moving. 15-minute looks weak. The 5-minute, I don't really care because it hasn't done anything for the bear. Yeah, I'd say I'm probably gonna end up waiting this out a little bit longer for the 2 hour to close, and then I'm gonna be buying. I might just buy some 0 DTE SPYs or some weeklies just to see what happens. But I think up. If I had to guess, I'd probably say we're going to 378, 380 range. Do I know why this is happening? No fucking idea. It might have been the news that the U.S. Treasury wants to buy back their debt, right? Again, some form of quantitative easing. Do I know why this is happening? No fucking idea. It's probably just big money funneling a bunch of money into the market, right? Maybe somebody else actually knows why the market's moving up like crazy. I have absolutely no idea why the market is moving so sporadically, right? These huge rallies, like like 355 to like 380, right? These huge $25 moves within like 2 days. These things are fucking ridiculous, dude. This is stupid. And I hope that everybody understands how historical this is. Like these $25 moves are ridiculous, right? And even now, 350 to 370 move, right? It's ridiculous, right? It's absolutely ridiculous. I mean, if you look at just this, right? We run it from lows to highs. There you go. Highs, $25. I'm pretty sure this is already $25. $25 move. 25, yeah. I mean, if we dump, we dump now, right? If we actually dump, we actually dump now to 362 because we're matching the recent move of what happened here. I'd argue that if there's a drop, we drop right now. If there's no drop, this shit's probably gonna keep going higher. We're probably going back to, if I had to guess, we stay on trend, latest, you'll probably see 390 by October 21st or so. That's my guess, right? As long as you stay on this trend, you'll probably see minimum by October 21st, you'll probably see, a 390. And I think October 21st is actually this Friday, right? Which is ridiculous. So again, either you dump extremely hard, go back to 362 right literally right now, like this is the peak, right? Or we keep pushing to 390. If we do not drop today, if we do not have a bear day today, very strong chance you're going to see 390, 391 by the end of this week. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.